guys, this is
Kibber Review 5.
And this is Kibber Review 2, and we're going to be reviewing the Nerf Rival Apollo, or the xv700. Nerf Rival xv700. So,
Let's get it.
So, here we go. I already opened the box and everything. So, if you are watching...
No, we haven't seen the gun. We only have opened the box.
Well, yeah, we should have done this.
Okay, it's coming out.
Oh,
wrong way. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's coming out.
Ooh. Look at... We'll take out the mask first.
Yeah.
Can you get a knife or scissors?
I'll go get a knife.
Or scissors. So, this is what it looks like when you open the box. You got the mask, the gun, and the bullets. And I will rip open this really quick. And this is a little foam golf ball. And we'll go ahead and take out our little golf balls. They're stuck in this little plastic piece.
Okay, I got those. I got a knife and scissors. Of course, I got the red knife. I got a red knife.
On purpose.
What? Yeah, I did it on purpose because we were talking. Okay.
You got this.
I cut the. You want me to cut the gun out so once it's time I can get the gun?
No, wait a second. No, not yet.
I'll get the ammo.
We'll be doing... No, it's fine. No, not yet.
I already got it.
We have this mask. That's
Sick.
Comfy. It's to go battle. And pretty cool. I'll get an up close view on my thing. It's very comfortable padding. There's some things for talking. Adjustable band. So there it is. Thing for talking. Thing like this. Adjustable band.
Really
right there.
cool.
And this is, well, sit this back here on my chair.
Can I put it on?
I'm not sitting in my chair.
Can I put it on?
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
So it's like this.
Whoa.
Rival Apollo.
Whoa, this makes me feel so safe. Oh my god.
Now I can shoot you in the face.
Yeah, I'm not hurt. This makes me feel super safe. Hey, we might do that in this video. We might shoot somebody in the face with this line.
I'm trying to figure
I
out.
look like I'm the war.
Alright, this is all it is.
It's weird. Oh, you know how those people go like...
Alright, so I'm going to cut out our gun.
Use that scissors.
I got it.
I got this one. There you go.
Got that.
Oh my gosh, this gun is so cool. Give me that load of the ammo. Wait, we should show the ammo first.
No,
I'll
we
get
got
the
it.
ammo.
No, we got it. Oh. Wow. Look at you guys.
The ammo is probably one of the coolest parts of it.
And we got this. Just pretty hard to load, but listen.
Oh, that would hurt somebody. Here's the ammo.
You gotta go all the way back.
Right in the middle of both of them. I don't know what. Oh, because my thing's over here. And yours is over here. Oh, God, it's scared me. I thought you had ammo for a second.
Alright, we're gonna load it.
Yeah, let's go.
So you
I'll
just
open this back up.
put them in the top.
Can I
Let's
load
see.
it?
What do you mean?
Oh, you shooting one real quick?
Um,
Should we get the film it? Should we shoot it right at our iPad? Should we shoot it right at the iPad?
I'm just gonna shoot over here.
Go.
Oh, I didn't
Pull it. Yeah.
Oh! It went off that wall, and all the way back to the freaking other wall.
Okay, I got all the ammo.
This crap is
Don't
amazing.
Don't lose these balls. I'm not gonna lose this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. Wait, how do you take this thing out?
Here's the little golf ball. That just went 700. I want to take it out.
Oh,
So there's a little button down here. I'm going to be able to see it right there.
I did not figure that out. It's actually
Right
kind of
there.
rough, so you guys might want to watch it.
Yeah, I got it. Nice.
Okay.
The world's easiest loading
The world's
system.
coolest loading.
Crap. Alright, this is actually kind of hard.
Well, here's the other balls.
Oh yeah, it's only supposed to hold 6.
Oh,
And then, oh, Nerf did something amazing.
you get 2.
They gave you
Wait, I need to lose this
6
knife.
extra. Because Nerf knows you're gonna lose bullets. They gave you 6 extra. See, fully loaded, and then we got 6 extra. It comes with 12. That's Nerf smart.
That's called nerf smart. Yeah.
It's called nerf smart.
Okay. Let's go film and try to make it like gold.
Me shooting. So
Okay, I got mine.
clips. So guys, we are at the couch and we are at a little shooting range. Is it loaded?
Okay.
I don't know.
If we shoot the TV, it might break.
Here we go.
Okay, let me get the mouse camera and you're gonna hit me in the face. Woo!
Guys, keep in mind this thing was loud as crap. You'll be like blue, wearing all your blue, and then get your blue rifle and your blue mask. Oh my gosh!
What?
I put a freaking mark in the couch.
Oh no.
I legitimately put a mark in the couch.
I got the mask.
All right, ready? Well, what if I miss? Your face.
I got this.
Ready? This is the Thatcher trash.
I don't want to do this. No, I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna. This is okay. Shoot one time. Let's see how fast it goes. Let's see how fast it goes first.
Not that bad.
I'm really scared. Okay, shoot the mask and see what happens to it. I'm scared to hold it when you shoot it. Shoot like this. Okay, that made it hard, and it would protect your face. That's it. All right, how much? All right, we gotta get Miles down here to see this quickly, guys. Yeah.
So, overall, extremely impressed. So, I'm gonna shoot that. I won't just get out of the way.
You should. Oh! What was that? What did you just shoot?
My bad.
Shoot mine. I want my viewers to be able to see it. Oh! That is so cool.
Shot you guys.
Let's go.
Ready? I'm not loaded, dang it.
That would have just happened.
It's easy to pull.
Might be perfect. That's perfect.
3, 4, 5,
That would take forever to do it that fast.
6. Doesn't take that long. I already wrote it. So that's basically it. Oh, hey, I'm so excited.
Can I shoot this guy? Can I shoot one?
Yes, of course. You gonna load it too? It's loaded?
Where should I shoot?
Just the catch.
Where should I shoot it?
Just
Wait, I want to see if we can make another mark.
Ready? Camera. Alright.
Keep it. Okay.
Nice.
Oh, that is sick.
It's not that hard.
It's for me.
I got it.
Okay, I'm gonna get this.
Guys, let's get an awesome outro.
There we go. Got this.
Simple.
Ready? See the thing go back? Oh!
So that's it. Do we have this? Guys, overall, I'm extremely impressed.
Okay, put it like this and shoot me.
Let me get an awesome outro real quick.
Now get the gun right in your hand, like boom.
Mission complete on making a great review on the Nerf rival Apollo. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.
Shoot it. I'll see
Ready?
what happens. Okay, you're gonna have to shoot this.
Peace out. Alright, it's not loaded.
Oh my god, it's loaded.
Jammed. Oh, maybe it's not in the light. Or it's in backwards. Fail on a second.
Is it like around backwards? No, that's the wrong way. That's your. It won't go shoot. Weird. It won't go in either. What the heck?
I don't care.
There you go. Now reload it.
Oh gosh, this.
I think you lost your gun.
I think I just locked it.
Ah, darn it. This is going weird. If you guys know how to fix this gun right now, try to.
Alright.
Okay, guys. guys. We'll see once we figured it out.
What's happening?
So guys, we found out the problem.
I accidentally shot Owen trying to figure it out. But
It did hurt, so I want to get shot in the face before
See
we
this?
entered.
it has to be down. If it's up or like that, it won't shoot.
Okay, you
What?
shoot it?
Not really, but well, it will. But I don't know what happened. I just pressed that and it worked. And I'm going to be shooting the cam for the outro.
And me in the face first. Wait, not yet. Okay, this is not on right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh! I didn't feel. Oh God.
Did it
I
hurt?
didn't feel a thing.
All right. All right. Let's shoot the cam.
Shoot yours and then shoot mine.
Ready, guys? Peace out.
Oh, shoot mine now.
Oh, I thought it was.
No, shoot mine and then